Alright, good afternoon, y'all. Welcome back to the channel, me and Car Keys. Today's video is kind of a continuation of the last video where we talked about spring cleaning in your car. So as you see, it did rain this morning. Thank God for that, because it did clean out the air significantly. I'm still feeling a little allergies here and there, but you know, it's a little better. So today we're gonna do our in-cabin air filter. So we went on Amazon and we got the Breathe Easy cabin filter. The part number is BE-150. Should fit all 2015 to 2017 F150s of probably all trim levels. We have to take the glove box door off. And I know we have to remove this rubber panel here as well. And I think we have to take this part off. We'll see. All right, so to take off this glove box door, there is, if you look over here, there's a little tab you push in like this, pull it out. You see, that's how it popped out on its own. Take this off and just kind of let it hang, like so. This rubber piece has to come off, and it pretty much just snaps off. Comes out like that. Right after that, you have two 7mm screws here and here. And just unloose those. After you've gotten your screws out, you want to pull on this very gently, because this button here, I guess for the glove box door, there's a wire behind it connected to it, so you want to be very, very careful. All right, took a little convincing. We got that out. I suggest pulling on the side here. Don't pull from the actual tabs at the top, pull on the side, because these will break easily. They're very flimsy. So once you got that out, disconnect your, well, you don't even have to disconnect it, just kind of let it sit on the side like so. And this is what we were trying to gain access to, is this door panel right here. So to remove it, our filter is right behind it. To remove it, pull on the tabs on the outer ends. There's a tab over here and a tab over here. Just kind of pull on the tab, snap off really easily. And just take off the panel. And there's our filter, which already looks dirty. To remove it, you just pull it. And it comes out just like that. Look at all that dirt. Wow. This is why I can't breathe. Look at this, y'all. You can see the dirt inside. See, this is why we do videos like this, because there's no way. How are you supposed to breathe with that? Can't breathe like this. Can't breathe like this. I'll show you what's in the box. Our new filter. There we have it. Breathe Easy cabin filter. Matter of fact, by the way, this is the #1 rated air filter on Amazon. Just throwing it out there. So first of all, one of the things I would suggest that we should have done first is actually make sure they're the same size. They're the exact same size, so it should fit with no problem. Just do a quick side-by-side comparison. Old filter, new filter. Old filter, new filter. The Breathe Easy cabin filter did come with instructions. They are pretty straightforward. If you read down to number 6, remove the old cabin filter from the housing, install new cabin filter. Seems easy enough, right? I did notice this arrow here, airflow spearhead. So take note of how this came out. When it came out, it was showing the forward symbol. You can read it forward, upright, and it has an arrow that says air down. So it came out this way. Make sure you put it back in this way with the air flow and the arrow pointing down. If you think about it in terms of how the air flows, this is your filter. The air is coming in this way, air coming back out the other side. So just think about that. Airflow down, it means it's coming in this way. So your air filter has to go in back this way with these extra felt pieces sticking up. To install your new filter in, it's very simple. You just literally line it up like so. There we go, better view, there we go. Just line it up like so, push it back in. Then you insert your tabs back on. Push both sides, make sure it's snapped in. And there you go. It's just that easy, just that simple. New air cabin filter. Help us all breathe a little easier. All right, got this piece back installed. Next, we just put our rubber trim piece back in. And it literally just snaps back in. Just like that. Side. There we go. Just like that. Swing your door back up. Just like that. And we are done. All right, that was a quick install video on your in-cabin air filter. It is one of the easiest mods. It is one of the easiest mods to do. Not even a mod, but a replacement, I guess we'd call it. And I was trying to rush and do it because if you can see out here, it is raining again. Can't complain about it. I'm actually happy about it. Anything that'll help me breathe easier, help you breathe easier, helps a lot. So thank you for watching another video on me and Car Keys channel. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. If you need to get this in-cabin air filter, I will leave it in the description below. Make it easy for you to get it. It's right there on Amazon. I believe it was $10. I'll check that. But I believe it was $10. Real easy, real simple. Just follow the steps and you'll be breathing easier as well. So until next time, I appreciate you watching.